Hey, what's up Pancakeswap holders? What's going on this time? Pancakeswap price is increased, as you can see here, my friend, this time 2.93%. You can see this is very huge change occur. You can see on the prices, and 20.74 USD dollar. You can see here this is the highest price, and 20.46 USD dollar is the current price. So the both prices, there is not big differences, my friend, in the prices. Definitely that's mean true. Pancakeswap is moving in normal condition, not bad, not very badly falls down, and not very badly not very goodly moving upward. So absolutely the condition is not good, but also not bad, my friends. As you can see here, 2.93% they will get a profit in last 24 hours, but this is temporary pumps and temporary dumps, so kindly don't focus on this. You will need, my friends, to just only hold and wait for the end of month. Remember, just only I advise you, please remember, this is not a financial video. Some holders are doing, my friends, very bad mistake, my friends, to they are follow someone. So it's really bad mistake, because my brother, you are take a very huge risk. You are invest a lot of money in crypto, and if you are lost, then absolutely we will never respond for your loss. So thanks for watching. Alright, my brothers, so my prediction is going 100% positive. You will need to hold and wait for the end of month. I hope, my friends, in upcoming times they will give you a profit. See you next time, holders. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.